How to redeem your Boohoo gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can redeem your Boohoo gift card. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem our Boohoo gift card, you have to go ahead and then first of all go to boohoo.com. I'll also make sure to leave a link in the description box. So it is boohoo.com, and then make sure to log into your account. Make sure to log into your account by tapping on this little profile icon from the very top of the screen. As you can see, I'll also just go ahead and then do that respectively. Now once you log into your account on boohoo.com, now you can simply go ahead and then shop for the products that you want to add. So just go ahead and then shop for any of the products that you want to add and then add them to your cart first of all. Once I add those products to my cart, what I will need to do is first of all I'll just go ahead and select just this random one. And once I select it up, I'll just choose and select the size as well as the size and the color. Then I'll select the option called add to cart. Now once I do that, I've added the product to my shopping bag. So I will go to my shopping bag from the very top right hand side of the screen. And here you have to review the products you want to buy and then choose the option called checkout from the very top. Once you go to the checkout option, we have to redeem our gift card via the payment page. So this is the way to redeem our promo code. This is not for a gift card code. This is only if you have a promo code and you've been referred by a friend. But if you want to go ahead and then redeem our gift card, first of all we will enter all of these details basically. So let me also go ahead and then fill in all these details. Once I fill in, you can also go ahead and enter your delivery addresses and so on, and after that you have to select the option called continue to billing. Once we proceed to the billing section, we will be taken to the payment page over here, and right over here you can choose the payment methods. But if you have a gift card, you have to tap on the option called add a gift card right over here. So just tap on the add a gift card option and make sure to enter your gift card number. You can also check the balance of your gift card and then tap on the apply gift card button. Depending upon the value of your gift card, the balance will be successfully applied and then redeemed to your account, and now you can go ahead and shop the products if you wanted to. And that's all it takes to redeem your Boohoo gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.